Government schools set to reopen today. UP High Court expresses concern over opening of schools amid pandemic. Decision on reopening schools in Pune next month. Parents Forum to launch phased stare against private schools in Himachal. Government will encourage students to take up scientific research studies. Karnataka parents educators seek phased school reopening. Indian Educationist launches literacy program for out-of-school children and adults. Maharashtra. Class 4 staff for schools on contract now. Lead to Karnataka government to introduce Konkani as medium of education. Governor Bhagat Singh Koshari released second book of poems. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Balaji reporting from ENN and the Daily Stories. Schools across the state will reopen for students for classes 10 and 12 on from Monday, nearly a month after the Haryana government decided to shut them amid the spike of COVID-19 cases among the government school students. In addition to the standard COVID-19 measures such as thermal scanning and sanitization, students are required to produce a health clearance as per the standard operating procedures issued by the Education Department. The Allahabad High Court has expressed concern over the opening of schools in Uttar Pradesh amid the pandemic, fearing that young children may catch infections owing to their inability to follow precautions. However, falling short of ordering and the closure of schools, a bench of Justice Siddhartha Verma and Ajit Kumar asked the state government to consistently keep an eye over the schools and ensure that all teachers and students follow anti-COVID guidelines. The schools in Pune city will remain closed for now in view of coronavirus pandemic, and the situation will be reviewed next month, the civic body said on Saturday. Decision on reopening schools will be taken after a review meeting on Jan 3rd, it said. The decision not to reopen schools this month was taken after consultation with parents, it added. Himachal Pradesh Students Parents Forum on Sunday announced a movement against private schools for recovery of all other types of charges along with the tuition fees. The first phase of the protest will be held outside the Directorate of Education here on December 16, 21, 24 and 28, the forum stated. It has called upon the parents to join the forum's cause against the arbitrary fees charged by the private schools in every district. The forum has warned the State Education Directorate that if the recovery of all charges raised by the private schools this year is not done, then they will be starting the second phase of the movement, said. After inaugurating Manohar Parrikar Vigyan Mahotsav 2020 on Sunday, Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant asserted that his government will encourage students to take up study in science and to undertake projects that will contribute to coastal states' development. Our government will take up its legacy ahead and ensure that we will encourage students to get involved in science learning and undertake projects that contribute to Goa's development, he said. Members of various organizations, educationists and parents held a silent protest at Maurya Circle at Saturday to press the state government to reopen schools in a phased manner. They said the children's learning and development has suffered because of the prolonged closure of schools, and their problem was particularly severe in rural areas. Gurumurthy Kasinanthan, the director of Center for Education Technology (IT for a Change), an NGO, said that government must consider the social, financial and health impact on students and parents. We are not saying that you throw it upon all the schools, do it gradually. Schools in rural areas have already 20 students. These students are already playing outside, so there is no issue of reopening schools, he said. Global Dream Shala, an initiative for providing free education to out-of-school children starting with Uttar Pradesh, launched earlier this week on Human Rights Day. The initiative will promote functional literacy and numeracy among masses and was born out of observation of underprivileged children aged 6 to 14 unable to read even one paragraph story fluently. According to the educationist Dr. Sunita Gandhi, our primary objective with Global Dream Shala is to provide a zero-cost scale-up model of learning that is both quick and effective and that makes learning gain real every day. This keeps the motivation of both volunteers and learners high. School Education Department will allow appointment of Class 4 employees in school on contract. School management criticized the move. The Department of Friday issued a circular stating that when a person is retired from government or aided school, new appointments must be made on a contract only. These positions include peons, cleaning staff, security guards and laboratory attendants. They will also have to be filled at the school level instead of government. School will be given Rs 7,500 a month for most of corporations, but schools in Pune and Mumbai will get Rs 10,000. Karnataka Konkani Sahitya Academy has urged Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa to introduce Konkani as a medium of education in the state. The Academy made the request in the context of proposed national education policy that lays stress on education in mother tongue. Saturday marked the release of the second book of poem by the city's educationist Devyani Mungali, founder, director of Sanskriti Group of Schools, at the hands of Maharashtra Governor Bhagwat Singh Koishyari at Raj Bhavan, Pune. Titled Matwali Manchali Kavityan, a book is mixed of collection of 29 poems written in Hindi on contemporary themes and everyday situations which affect and influence young children today. The book has also poems on fantastical ideas which evoke the curiosity of the children. We'll now wrap up on today's edition on Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, which is www.jinn.com, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Balaji.